Hey guys, Greg with Zen Investments, and thank you for coming to the channel. If this is your first time here, what I'd like to do is just educate people regarding real estate investing and affiliate marketing. So in today's video is focused on affiliate marketing, and what we're going to talk about is actually how to use this tool to launch a free website and grow your business in 5 minutes. So you guys can pretty much see my screen, right? And this is actually the back end of Wealthy Affiliate. And again, if you guys do not have an account with Wealthy Affiliate, I highly recommend creating one. Again, it's free. You don't need a credit card, so why wait? I will have a link in the description below on my review of Wealthy Affiliate in case you want to actually read up on that before you actually launched your free account. But in today's video, what I want to talk about is again, how to launch a free website within Wealthy Affiliate. Now, the good thing with Wealthy Affiliate is when you sign up for it, again, you don't need a credit card, you get a free trial, and you actually can set up a free website that you can actually get during that free trial. So what you want to do first is, excuse me, is go ahead and launch your Wealthy Affiliate account like I just did here. And when you launch it, this will be the main page that you land on. So again, you want to ask yourself a question now, do you need a website? But right now you may be a little tight on cash. So I'm going to show you again this free resource for that, because again, hard times right now. I totally understand that. Recording this video, this is in November of 2020, which again, this has been a crazy year, right? But again, so let's do this. So we want to launch Wealthy Affiliate. Now, once you're on this main page, again, this is a new layout as of this month. It's just launched, or the redesign just launched a few days ago. So I'm still learning how to navigate this new awesome design. But what you want to do is go to this pencil icon up here and you click there. And then what you want to go to is actually click on build website over here. Now, I'm not going to build a new one just because I don't need one right now. But what you want to do obviously is click on free domain here. And then you can enter the domain name. Like, for example, if you're doing a baking type of blog, you can put like baking with Susan or whatever your name is, baking in the dungeon, or I don't know, but something like that. And then it'll be a .siterubics.com website. And that's what makes it free, is because you're advertising the company's name here inside of your domain. So you will have, again, like baking with Susan.siterubics.com. And you'll be able to launch it. It's a live website. You can share with people. They can read it. It's literally a running website. It's just that it has the .site Rubics in here. Now, once you start to get traction, or maybe if you have a little bit more money to invest, you can always convert this into a regular domain. Like, again, my website is replacew2income.com. Now, when I first started it through Wealthy Affiliate, it was replacew2income.siterubics.com. And again, I created a few different blogs and reviews on there just to get used to the platform and the WordPress plugin. And then once I was ready, I did convert it to a regular website where this part is taken out. And the great thing about Wealthy Affiliate is once you actually create a website, you go ahead and just go through these prompts. It's pretty simple. Obviously, you're going to go through, again, they're labeled in chronological order, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can't mess this up. Again, available themes, you just click the theme you want, and then you will create your website. So, I mean, there's lots and lots of themes. As you can see here, there's tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of themes. So once you choose the theme, it will take you to the next prompt. I'm not going to go through these. There's so many, which is amazing. You can choose, again, this is free. You choose all these, don't anyone you want. You can search as well. Let's see. So again, like I was saying, baking, maybe, oops, that's not found, but, or maybe like a specific theme you're looking for. Like if you want like a certain look or design, you can go ahead and just kind of search for that as well. Or maybe like, blue or something. See if you can search for like a color, or if I want it green, sites that are more green. So you can pretty much just play around with this. There's many different things you can search for, but you do that. And then once you create it, you would just click on choose a theme. It take you to the next prompt. Again, it's pretty self-explanatory. I don't have to go through everything now, because if you're watching this, you're a pretty intelligent person, so you can follow prompts and go through it. But anyway, so you do that, and then you create your website. And the good thing is, again, through Wealthy Affiliate, once you create your website and when you're ready to change it over to a .com without the site Rubics, Again, this is an all-in-one platform. You get everything you need. You get training, you get a community, you get um, um, live webinars, all kinds of stuff through this platform. But you can also convert it to a .com without this in here as well through here. So you just literally will go to the prompt and click convert, and it'll just pretty much transfer your whole website over to a .com. So you don't have to redo anything if you have really good content on your free website. But again, you keep that as long as you need to until you can afford to invest back into your company. But I just wanted to guys show you this again with the affiliates. There's a plethora of available options and trainings and information and features and new things that are constantly being added as well. But again, that's all that I have for you in this specific video. So if you guys have any questions, you could definitely reach out to me. I will have the link in the description below to create a free website through Site Rubix, and you can check out my blog on Wealthy Affiliate, just in case you want to have a community help guide you if you're new and a beginner, so you can create a prosperous and successful business. But that's all that I have, guys. This is Greg with Zen Investments signing off. You guys have a great day and talk to you soon.